an investor, for the last 18 years in our short-term fund. It has given me 7.5% compounding. I'm happy. A lot of retirement money goes into, insurance and other things. It's good. They should go there. But what is the purpose? Again, we have done a lot of study before we come back to the market. Without study, we could not come back with conviction. People put money in those instruments, they want the money back. They want something for their sustenance because everyone doesn't get pension today. How does mutual fund, debt funds satisfy that, need without, defeating the purpose for which he or she is putting money? SWP, Systematic Withdrawal Plan on debt funds is a big discovery or this big statement which we have made in the market, and people have started now accepting कि अगर डेट में पैसा डालने से कॉर्पस बन भी गया या नया कॉर्पस आके उस पर हमने SWP कर दिया, which will take care of the sustenance of the family. So that is another communication which we have built. The third leg, I think, which is the last part, is why that 73% or 80% tilt is. Because see, we as advisors, as distributors, we are trying to make the client's wealth creation journey. So usme they feel important ki if they have made client wealthy, that's very good. That is one part of the risk of the client's brain. There's another part of the human being has got various part of the risk. The risk averse or the less risk part of money doesn't come to mutual fund distributors. It goes still into traditional. So I've been telling them that if you are a holistic, advisor or you want to manage the client's wealth for long term, don't forget this part of the brain of the client. The client will never give you that money because उसको पता है कि मेरे को अगर risk का नहीं लेना, I have got many avenues, so I'll go and participate there. जो आप हमको बता रहे उधर मैं आपको पैसा दूंगा. I'm happy, but I am also happy there. Why don't you come and take? And that's where the larger distributors, when they do a balanced portfolio, they guide the investor over long periods of year. Their portfolio is very balanced. Market volatility does not impact the portfolio, returns. It gives you protection. I myself am an investor, for the last 18 years in our short-term fund. It has given me 7.5% compounding. I'm happy, but it also gives me protection against a lot of other, events because market will be choppy. So there are many factors we are trying to bring in while communicating, and that's how the investor has started now coming back into this category. But it's a long journey. It's a very long journey.